Anyway, let's move on to the Panamera. Go rev that up, let's have a listen to that. Panamera driver, have you actually revved it? I can't hear a thing.
Yeah, it's your favourite soft limit, Matthew.
Okay, let's move on to the Cayenne Turbo GT. We're going to get into the soft limits rig. On rev that up. No, I didn't hear that either. Soft limiter, I'm guessing?
Very much so.
This is really boring, isn't it? Okay, so can we hear the Boxster GTS, please? I'm guessing you've got a soft limiter as well in the Boxster, but because it's naturally aspirated, it just sounds better. I can hear it from over here.
Yeah, soft-ish, about 5k.
Yeah, it's not that soft. It's not soft as this. This is really soft, like really, really droopy. Okay, and finally then, what about the Macan GTS? What you got?